Good morning and welcome to another episode of Fitous Thai Kitchen. Now today, we've got a dish called Kai Luk Kui, which translates as son-in-law's eggs. What? Come again? Yes, you heard it correct, son-in-law's eggs. So take that to mean whatever you want it to mean, but this is a, a really great dish and it's a sweet, tangy egg dish. So it's pretty easy to make and that's what we're going to show you today. So if that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around after this.
Good morning, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make, is it funny name, son-in-law egg, or in Thai we call Kai Luk Kui, right? And just show you the ingredient. The first fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, dry chili, this one as you like, palm sugar, about 100 gram, coriander, half dozen of egg, 1 sliced banana, shallot, 5 tablespoons of tamarind sauce. Right, okay, yeah. Okay, first thing we boil the egg first. We wait until the water boil, then we put the salt, just protect the egg shell crack. Then wait until the water boils, then we put the egg. We boil 5 minutes. And then after 5 minutes, we off the gas, leave it 5 minutes. And then run with the cold water. Okay, when the water start to boil, we just lower a little bit of gas, right? And then we put the egg. Okay, you leave the egg boil for 5 minutes. Okay, we first, in the same time we prepare the sauce. We fry the shallot first. Yeah, put the oil. Okay, we fry shallot. Make until this one crispy, but you can see by the color. If leave a little bit more, become burn. After this, they turn the yellow more brown. Okay, and then you take it out and leave it. And then fry it, dry chili. Okay. Okay, dry chili only 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, now we start to make the sauce. Yeah, we put tamarind sauce. There are, like I said, 5 tablespoons. Fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Add a little bit of water and palm sugar. You stir it. And now off the gas because this was 5 minutes, and then leave for 5 minutes and then run with the cold water. This one I'm melting the palm sugar and then keep on stirring, become thick, and then you can taste. Some people they like a salty or sweet. You can taste and then you can add the taste. This one let me taste it. Okay, until it's done quite thick. You stir until it's thick. Yeah. You take it. Okay, we take out from. Okay, now it's not too hot. Then we can get rid of the skin.
เอาแกะกับน้ำให้แกะง่าย
ไม่เดี๋ยวก็ดิฉันทุบก่อนไงฉันไม่ใช่เป็นคนมือแกะกุ้งแกะไอ้นี่นะ Okay, we crack this one together. Easy to peel the skin. After that, we fry the egg with the oil left over from we fry onion and chili. Actually, this one is easy dish. Yeah, it take about 15 minutes. Yeah, now the color like son-in-law egg. Look. When son-in-law egg go to the beach, get the sunshine. That's why they call son-in-law egg. You put this one in the video, man. Okay, now we cut the egg into half. Okay, now we just pour the sauce on top. And dried shallot.
All right, so we're gonna give my son-in-law's eggs a try. Visually, it looks great. Perfect. Tangy, sweet. The sweetness of the shallots. Really good and so easy. Please make sure you give this a try at home. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm not sure what we've got coming next week. Might be a beef dish, not too sure. But as always, thanks for the support. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again next week. Thanks, bye.